Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is March the 12th, 2019, and I wanted to give you an update on my Little Fingers eggplant seedling here. So it's right under here. I'm going to pull it out from under the light here. Okay, and I'm actually going to be transplanting this one here today. You can see here the roots are coming out of the bottom and the sides of the peat pellet, so it is ready to be transplanted. And I just got more of my Jiffy peat pots to transplant these into, so we'll be right back. Okay, so eggplants don't like to have their roots disturbed, so I'm going to be transplanting this into one of the Jiffy biodegradable pots. And this is it's Jiffy Pots 5. So what I can actually do then is when this is ready to go into its permanent location, I will just plant the entire container. So I'm going to fill my thing here up with my potting mix. Now I've been feeding this with Sea Magic, and that's the only food that it got. So you could continue that on. So I'm actually going to be putting this, the soil that I'm using is the Miracle Grow potting mix, and you can use like worm castings or something like that. And I am going to continue feeding this one here with the Sea Magic, because this is part of the Shangsite LED Grow Light Indoor Vegetable Growing Experiment. This should have been transplanted a while ago. I didn't have the containers that I needed, and then my soil, I had to wait for it to actually come inside and thaw out for me. So I made a little spot in here to put the eggplant in. Now I am leaving a barrier for where my soil is going to stop at, so when I water this, my water doesn't spill out all over the place. So I have my little garden tools here, and I'm just going around, filling in around the eggplant here. Around here. Just push this in here just a little bit here. Okay, here we go. Now when I water this is going to settle down, the soil will, so I'm going to have to come back in and fill in with some more soil. So I'm going to water this here real quick, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to start watering this. Now eggplants don't like cold water. They also don't like cold soil. So I really had to let my soil warm up before I transplanted my eggplants. Kind of spinning this around here and watering it. Go back in around here. And this is it's an heirloom variety, but it's new for me this year growing it. And it's 65 days to harvest, so looking forward to trying it and seeing what this one here tastes like. And I am growing other varieties this year. I'm going to be growing Ping Tong and Diamond, which I grew last year, and we really like those varieties. And also, I'm going to be growing Matoya, I believe that's how you pronounce it, or Mayoto. I'm not exactly sure on the pronunciation of that. a swad, Rosa Bianca, and I think that's it. So I'm hoping to find a variety for the big ones to replace Black Beauty. And I'm also looking for an early giver to get me an early harvest of eggplants, even though they're smaller. Okay, so I'm going to let this finish soaking out of the bottom of the container here for the water. And I'm going to let it soak for a little bit, and then I'm going to be taking this back under my light over there, and I'll give you a little tour of what's growing under the light. So we'll be right back. And I will have a link down in the description for the Jiffy pots that I use, so you can check those out. Okay, so I put my little eggplant back under the light here. Now this is the Shangsite LED grow light. And I have lettuce growing under here, bok choy, tomato plant. I have another eggplant down here. This is ping tongue. So I was doing an experiment to see what I could grow indoors under this light for an indoor vegetable harvest. And so far, the lettuce, I got like 4 or 5 pickings off of that. Really pleased with that. The tomato plant, I picked the wrong variety. I'm pretty sure I picked the wrong variety to try growing indoors. I'll try the early treat hybrid next time for that. So as my little fingers eggplant here continues to grow, I will come back with more videos and I will show it to you. And so if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button all the times I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I will have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. And you can get updates on how seedlings are doing and different plants. Thank yous for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.